Who's this Gassy Jack and why is he so gassy?
So this is Gassy Jack Dayton, and he was the first resident here in Vancouver. This was back in the 1860s.
Okay.
You weren't allowed to drink liquor. So he canoed over here with his wife and a barrel of whiskey.
And Gassy Jack built the first saloon here in less than a day.
The area became known as Gastown,
Okay.
not because of gas lights or a gas works, but because his nickname was Gassy Jack.
And where'd he get that nickname? Because, you know, I'm not trying to be funny here. You would think of a couple different things when it says they're gassy.
Right, it wasn't a bowel conditioner or anything like
Okay,
that.
good.
No,
I'll let
it
him
was,
say
so my understanding is in those days, if you were gassy, you talked in a voluble or garrulous fashion. He was a storyteller. He had tall tales.
Got it.
And so that was his nickname, and the name stuck not just for him, but for the whole area.
And to this day, you can see old Gassy Jack standing on his barrel of whiskey. And because he started his saloon and this city under a maple tree, you are standing in Maple Tree Square today.